Oh, hi, baby. You wake up early today. Okay. This is our breakfast.
Wow.
Let's eat now.
Where are you going? To the bed?
No, it's not the bed.
Okay.
Yummy food, right?
Yes, Mommy, it's so delicious.
Mm. Wait, baby. I really want to know, what are you dreaming about when you grew up?
Well, I'm actually dreaming about fairies. That is my dream. You know, water fairy? No, I don't like that. I'm gonna drown. I don't know how to swim.
Really, that's a good dream for you. Okay. Do you want to play outside? Okay. You can now go outside to play.
Wait a minute, I'm just going to finish my food. It's the last batch.
Just go here. Go at home only 4 o'clock, okay? Bye. It's already 4 o'clock.
Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. How's your play?
It's okay.
I think you're so sad. What happened?
I want to be a fairy. Can I, that flower I pick up and turn it to a statue? I will never go.
In the start, you will be a failure. In the end, it's successful. I prepare food for you. Eat it now.
Yay! Only in the morning. It's like in the morning breakfast.
Because you said it's yummy, so I prepare it again.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you may now eat. Baby, do you really wanna be a fairy when you grow up?
Yes, but I'm tired. I want to
Okay.
sleep. But
It's already 8 o'clock. You can now sleep. Sabihin mo. Buti ko.
Mommy, I want a story before I sleep. I want the story about the fairy.
Okay, baby, as you wish. Please, go. Lay on the bed.
Can you sleep with me, Mommy?
Okay, as you wish, baby.
Wow, what is that?
It's my drawing when I was child. Okay,
Wow, your drawing sounds familiar.
okay,
Oh, there's the story.
okay. The title is The Little Fairy. The Little Fairy. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Faye. Every time she sleeps, she always dreams of wings. She really wants to be a fairy. On the next day, her younger sister was watching television, named the fairy. She wants to grant wishes. She always dreamed to fly and hold a wand. First day of school, she introduced herself and said, "Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is Faye. I dream to be a fairy. You can call me Faye." She goes out on the classroom and hid. Suddenly, a fairy came to see her and said, "Hi, my dear, I'm a fairy. I came here to know what's your dearest wish." She does think twice and said, "I want to be a fairy," she shouted. She closed her eyes, and when she opens her eyes, the fairy was gone, and she was holding a wand, flying, and she was shocked. She can't tell what's happening. Her black hair turned into gold. She said, "I am now Fish." Her wish and dreams come true, and she and her family lived in the Fairyland Palace. The end. My baby doesn't know that I'm a fairy. Turn. Good morning. A nice day, nice day, nice day.
Nice day again.
Why, my dear? Why are you afraid?
Look!
You had the wings. Your wish come true. Aren't you happy?
My wish is not true.
Yes, your wish come true.
Who grant this?
The book. The book I read to you last night.
But it says artifact. Oh, no.
It's a fairy book. I read this and I turned into a fairy. I didn't tell you because maybe you were afraid. I really want to grant your wish, but I can't. It's on the rule.
Thanks, Mommy, but I'm sad.
Why are you sad? You said that's your wish.
No, because I don't have a wand.
Fairies don't really need a wand. Some fairies don't need a wand, just like me. I don't hold a wand.
How about your fork?
No, it's not a wand. It's a fork.
Sorry.
You can now go play outside. No, I forgot. You need to eat first. Do not show your powers to other. Okay, we go. Then they eat their breakfast and the baby go outside to play with her playmates. And they live happily ever after. The end. This is the cast of the story. Mommy and baby. This is the story of the fairy. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.